Welcome back to the Revit Mind. Today we're back with another video in the Dynamo automation series. In this video, I'll share a simple but very useful Dynamo script that helps automate one of the repetitive modeling tasks in Revit, creating columns from AutoCAD drawings. If your project starts in AutoCAD and you already have lines representing the column locations, there's no need to model every column manually in Revit. All you need to do is import your CAD file, select the layer that contains the column centerlines, choose a parametric Revit column family, and the script will automatically place columns at all of those locations in just a few seconds. This tutorial will be music only, so there won't be any voiceover during the demonstration. Simply follow the workflow on screen. If you enjoy the video and would like to support the channel, you can download the script using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.